working with filters. When we're working with filters, you got to choose an item that you want. You're gonna have multiple pictures that you see on the page. So go to my move tool, make sure I can select certain ones that I see, right? Make sure the layers are here so you can see what layers that you have and which selections you have with layers. So let's go ahead and choose this layer. Let's choose this layer here with the duck in the background. You're gonna do multiple filters or multiple pictures. So when I select this picture, right, I'm gonna go up here to filter. You can see filter gallery, and you're gonna see that if you close it down a little bit, the filter that it gives it, right? You have some type of filters that have certain types of characteristics, and you have certain filters that do what you want them to do. I want you to play around with the filters and see which ones that you like. Now, what I would do, I'll show you a characteristics of something that you've been taught before. For instance, going to the filter, and I want to just filter out certain things on that picture. First of all, I got to make sure it's selected. And then I can go to something like the quick selection tool and select just certain attributes in the picture. Like let's say for example, some of the things that's not the duck, but some things around the duck, right? Oh, that's not a duck, but a bird. Funny. So selecting things like the blue or things around it, right? So then I can go to select filter, filter gallery. I can minus mine things so I can see exactly what it does. And you notice now the filter just goes to something that's on the background of the picture, right? And this filter happens to be, right, one of these ones that we have is called graphic pen, right? So I'll push OK to graphic pen, and it'll select that filter.